Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on the video, and today we're going to be talking about the overall market. Before we start the video, guys, please make sure to leave a like on the video below, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and let's go on our investing journey together. So as you guys see, the S&P 500 is down 1,200 points. Guys, that's a lot, right? So, if you're taking a look back, this is pretty similar to what it was like when, the pandemic first hit, right? Day after day, the S&P 500 was just crashing, and this is actually like a replica. This is the biggest drop we've seen ever since the pandemic hit. So obviously you had those couple of days in March where the market was absolutely just tanking, and like I said, guys, the S&P 500 being down 1,200 points, it's not good. Even a lot of tech stocks are taking a huge hit right now, and it leads people to ask, are we entering another bear market? Well, we're going to have to see, guys. With elections coming up, the market tends to be very sensitive, and on top of all that, we don't know when we're getting a vaccine, and we don't know the extent of this coronavirus pandemic whole situation. When are things going to open back up? When can we actually give the chance for the economy to start recovering? Obviously, the economy has made a little bit of a recovery. As you guys know, businesses are open and they're operating, putting up decent profits. Obviously not as good as they were pre-pandemic, but they're not doing too bad for themselves. And it's kind of the same thing here with, the current stock market. So it's leading a lot of people to wonder, are we entering another bear market? Well, it's tough to say as of now. No one really knows the direction, but like I said, guys, the S&P 500 being down 1,200 points, it's not a good sign. And like I said, the whole tech industry in itself is also taking a huge hit. You have Tesla, Apple, Amazon, and all these big name techs. They're absolutely just sinking down all the way from 5 to about 10%. And like I said, it's just a huge mix of things. A lot of people are kind of uncertain where the market's going to be heading from here. And a lot of people, they want to know if the economy is truly going to recover soon. And it's tough to say, who knows where the market's going to go from here. Is it going to keep sinking down? Like I said, the S&P 500 has been on a nonstop rally the past 2 weeks. And, like I said, being down 1,200 points, guys, it's a lot, right? It's a huge loss, and it's going to start scaring investors again. And it's going to start leading investors to actually think that we're actually going back into a bear market. So the safest thing I would do, guys, is I don't know if I would sell your positions in any stocks yet. What I would do is personally hold. Obviously, everything I say on my channel is not financial advice. It's just my personal recommendation. But guys, like I said, the S&P 500 and all the stocks in the whole market are basically tanking at this point. No one really knows. So I'm curious to see how it plays out tomorrow. And I'm going to make another video tomorrow about it and see if actually, are we going to sink another 1,200 points? Because if we do, that's obviously not going to be good for the market. And it's obviously not going to be good for the, stocks that people are holding. People are going to get scared. People are going to start to panic, and we don't want another March incident where the S&P 500 legitimately sunk a lot in like a week's time. So with that being said, guys, let me know down in the comment section below, do you think we're going to continue our bull market rally, or do you think we're going to be entering into another bear market? Thank you, guys. Have a great day.